I'm Arthur Stone. I'm the CEO of OEE Systems. We're here today at the PPMA show to show our PerformOEE software. So our software manages the performance of high volume production lines, in this case mostly packaging lines that you see here at the show. We're using the OEE model to identify opportunities for our customers to reduce their costs, improve their capacity and drive business performance excellence in their operations. Software like this is key and core to Industry 4.0. So we're effectively the data engine, providing the data and the intelligence from the manufacturing equipment and converting it into actionable intelligence that customers can use to drive those performance. These days, our customers are expecting to have live, intelligent information from their production lines at their fingertips, on their phone, on their tablet, available at all times. And they expect that to be in a format that they can readily use to drive their operations. And that's really one of the keys to the data and the connectivity that we see coming from the initiatives like Industry 4.0. So what we see in the industry is more and more companies expecting that they have this kind of capability in their production lines. They expect to be able to see this real-time performance information. They expect to be able to do that data analytics very easily at the click of a button. These are no longer specialist tools. They expect them to come along with production lines, and more industries and customers are adopting this technology. It really is becoming the norm, and I think that's what customers are expecting as part and parcel of initiatives like Industry 4.0.